Deep cleaning on Lenovo Legion 15ARH05. Thank you, Sir Hans, for trusting PETIT Solutions. This has been the fourth time we'll deep clean this specific model, uploading 2 for the owner to view the service. Deep cleaning a laptop is beneficial for several reasons. It improves performance by ensuring optimal operating temperatures and extends the device's lifespan by preventing dust buildups that can cause hardware failure. It also prevents overheating and thermal throttling by maintaining proper airflow. Additionally, regular cleaning enhances reliability by reducing the risk of electrical shorts and maintains hygiene by removing bacteria and allergens. When performed by a trusted computer repair shop, deep cleaning is thorough and safe for the laptop. The Lenovo Legion 5 is a well-regarded gaming laptop known for its strong performance, good build quality, and value for money. It typically features powerful hardware, including high-end CPUs and GPUs, making it capable of handling demanding games. Applications. The laptop has a robust build and a design that balances aesthetics and durability, along with an efficient cooling system crucial for preventing overheating and maintaining performance. Its high refresh rate display, with good color accuracy, enhances the gaming and visual experience. Additionally, the Legion 5 allows for upgrades to RAM and storage, extending its longevity and versatility. Given these capabilities and the fact that gaming laptops can accumulate dust and debris quickly due to intensive usage, investing in regular deep cleaning is worthwhile. It helps maintain performance, prevent overheating, and extend the lifespan of the device, making it a good investment for your Lenovo Legion. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.